Andrew Dye here from Unity Homes. I'm on the site of a Unity Nano project that was completed several years ago in upstate New York. And it was designed and built as a pool house, but it's a lovely little project, and this same design could serve really well as an ADU, an accessory dwelling unit, perhaps without those four large double glass doors and the outdoor shower. But it seemed worth documenting here. I'm here with my camera. I'm going to shoot some video. We'll take a look inside as well. So here we are on the northeast corner of the building. You can hear a pool pump going in the background. And this area outside, the Nano has been set up nicely for outdoor living. Let's take a look inside the house. So it's a very simple layout in here. We have this living area here on the north side of the building, and an eating area and sitting area. And then we have this galley style kitchen here with a bathroom beyond. The washer and dryer stacked next to the fridge there. I'm going to see if I can capture this space. It's a little tough because the Nano's not very big. But here you get a better view of that living area. And then up above there's actually a loft area which is functioning here as a bedroom. You can see this line of timbers that runs all the way up through the middle of the building and supports the ridge to create this lovely vaulted space. The whole unit is heated and cooled by that one mini split wall cassette that you can see on the far wall. And here's the view from the west side of this living area. And we'll walk around toward the kitchen. And then up the stairs to the bedroom. Got the sleeping area here at one end. This nice open railing for looking down below. A seating area at this end of this kind of sleeping loft, and then a closet space under the eave there. Beautiful timbers and natural finished pine boards, pine trim. Here's the look over the railing to down below. And we'll head back downstairs. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this quick little look at a Nano pool house in upstate New York. It's Andrew Dye signing off for Unity Homes.